LV Palermo PM size. Yan siya. Bawal to sa maarte. Yan yung kanyang harap. Vibrant pa naman yung canvas niya, but the leather parts, yung baketa niya, it's ano na siya, dry. Tapos yung ibang parts, honey na yung color. Yung iba light pa naman. That's the side. And then, likod. Tapos, other side. So, yung ilalim. Corners. Corner 1. Corner 2. Corner 3, labas piping. Corner 4, labas piping. Tapos, may tarnish na rin ang kanyang zipper head. Yan. Kahit itong ano, yung hook niya, ganyan siya. Oh. Tapos, functional pa naman yung zipper. And then, the hook again, ito. Yan. Yung strap niya, yan. Maganda pa naman yung strap. And then, yung handles niya, yan. It's already dry, but it's still good. Loob. Ayan siya. Okay, for when worn. Naman, yung Palermo PM, ayan siya. Pwedeng gamitin yung strap or hold the handle or you can use the strap. Shoulder bag. And adjustable pa siya. Ayan siya.